Kidz Kit.
Hi kids, let's learn words starting with letter A.
A.
Apple. A is for apple. Ant. A is for ant. Alligator. A is for alligator. Avocado. A is for avocado. Axe. A is for axe. Airplane. A is for airplane. Ambulance. A is for ambulance. Arrow. A is for arrow. Apron. A is for apron. Arm. A is for arm. Angel. A is for angel. Astronaut. A is for astronaut. Aunt. A is for aunt. Anchor. A is for anchor. Almond. A is for almond. Abacus. A is for abacus. Award. A is for award. Artist. A is for artist. Armchair. A is for armchair. AirPods. A is for AirPods. Alarm. A is for alarm. Aquarium. A is for aquarium.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.